Hi there. I've posted a couple of videos now, actually 3 I think, where I mention how important liquid flux is to me, and I want to show you why liquid flux is important to me. So this is a blob of dry solder here. You can see it's kind of corroded on the surface. It's hard to get it to flow. It doesn't really, it's not acting the way we want it to act, and you get peaks, and everybody's had this, right? You get a dry solder joint and it just doesn't work well. So I've got my Kester 186 here. This is the same stuff that I use on everything. So I'm going to throw just some liquid flux on there. Bring the soldering iron in and touch that. There you go. Perfect, shiny, flowing bead of solder. That's what liquid flux does for you. So definitely get yourself some liquid flux. It makes all the difference in the world to soldering.